16 bar challenge, huh? I don't know. Bang, bum, bum, bang, bum, 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 bang, bum, 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 bang. Back for the last time, like alcoholics to AA. War stories, pissy stairs 2 times 12 stories. Fence behind gates, no chairs, you gotta find crates. Post late, turn pieces of crumbs in the whole cake. Can't wait, gain weight without having to work out. 350 on your black top. I'll outwork whatever y'all bring from the outskirts. I get my whip done custom. Dope that's in the car that's on the boat. And I'm walking through customs. I must be accustomed to doing things my way. That's why I stay away from them highways. Y'all interstate. I'm cocky, irrational. Internet. In the drugs, in your face, international. The next best thing to being famous, I'd rather be paid and be known as whatever his fucker name is. Make no mistaking, coke I'm baking like science and performance like Formula One racing. And a cold ass pimp this winter, 2 holes in my jeans, high to stop sign, waiting for it to turn green. I went from a little bit more than nothing to become nothing nice. Became overnight like over the stove. Nah, like water to rice. Resting and ran home, but guess who stayed under the light? Street smarts polished besides fucking consequence, and coming on time never made much but common sense. Gotta love my confidence, content or competence. Went from yellow pages to flipping scripts to controlling shifts while heads with pipes lit. Stayed yelling with that little black nigga with that white ass shit. See, I done seen the unfocused, held the unattainable right in my arm. Go from cold, you getting warm. Half second to warm before the biggest gang swarm. Out the window, down the toilet, or right past the gums. Tucked under the tongue, talk to him in clear speech. Must thought I was gonna run, officer. I will teach. Hustle from one point to the sharpest anglers. Gotta be more well-rounded. Square circles are dangerous. And I know you gotta love his phrases. The way he rearranges words to words, seem pen and pad are perfect strangers. Your rap challenger. Here's a micless, cordless, ifus, fucking, man, I don't know. Y'all niggas weak, man. Somebody owe me some money for that one. I don't see this. And it's fucking.